Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and happy 2024 guys. It's officially 2024 and I'm so excited to be kicking off the year with all of you amazing viewers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Before we go into the exciting content I planned out for today, I wanted to take a moment to just thank you for being here. Your support, your support, comments, likes, share, it means the world to me and I can't wait to share more incredible things with you for 2024. Yes, guys, thank you so much. To celebrate a fresh start, I wanted to share a few of my personal goals for 2024. Maybe some of them can actually resonate with you and it can actually motivate you also. I'm aiming to write my second book in the first quarter of the year. I'm aiming to be more consistent on YouTube, guys. It's not easy to be consistent on YouTube, guys. It's not easy. Then another thing is I'm aiming to be more consistent on other platforms like TikTok. I'm aiming to exercise more, to be more intentional with my wellness, and I'm also aiming to be more intentional with taking care of my home. Another thing is, if let's inspire each other. If you have anything that you are also looking forward to do in 2024, what about you? Tell me your goals and resolutions in the comments. Let's inspire each other. Speaking of new beginnings, let's talk about making your content shine, starting with your thumbnails. If you are not a professional graphic designer, you can still create a simple, catchy thumbnail without having to worry about the quality or the perfection of it. Thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails, they are your first impression. They have to grab attention and entice viewers to click. And guess what? Creating thumbnails is just, it doesn't have to break the bank. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create an eye-catching thumbnail for free using your Insta story. Yes, using Instagram. This is me trying to take a picture. I used the portrait size of my iPhone pictures because I wanted a blurry kind of background. I took like 3 different shots and I took the most dramatic one. I'm going to be taking the most dramatic one. Then I go on Google search to look for a black background, a free plain black background picture. Yes, this is me searching for it. And when I got it, I downloaded it. So when I downloaded it, I go ahead and search for YouTube icon in PNG. I'm actually meant to search for this after downloading and uploading on Instagram the downloaded black background. But I thought I was going to be able to download this YouTube icon, but I wasn't able to. I had to copy it. Back to Instagram. I click on my Instagram here to InstaStory. So when I clicked on to InstaStory, I uploaded a black background. This is me uploading the black background and I'm trying to turn the image into a vertical size to fill up the Insta story size. Don't get me wrong, you can get a plain black background on Instagram directly, but I prefer this because it is clean. Then I go back to my picture. This feature is on iPhone. You can easily copy your picture just like I'm doing by pressing down. You see a copy or share. I copied the picture and this copies without the background. I go back on my Instagram and I paste it on my Insta story on the plain background I downloaded and I uploaded on Instagram. This is me pasting it there and then I go ahead and come up with my thumbnail title. Most times people make a mistake of using the same title for their thumbnail as the same title for their video. But you don't have to. Your thumbnail is like a page that makes people want to click and watch your video. I guess your thumbnail should be much more dramatic than your actual topic. Although your thumbnail should lead the way to your video, it should not be
totally different from your video, on different from what you're going to be talking about in your video. Like this, I just dropped this topic out of my head. Edit your thumbnail in 2 minutes on your phone. And I after putting this, I turned it around that it will sit well with the image. And this is where the YouTube icon comes in, because I'm talking about thumbnail. It means I'm talking about YouTube. And I go back to my Google search. I search for YouTube icon in PNG. That's without a background. I copied it and come here to paste it on the design I'm making. This is me turning it and making it fit into the design. You just have to be super creative and make it as simple as possible, because making thumbnail less is more. You shouldn't make it complicated and too much colors and all of that. Then, because we're talking about phone, I go back on Google to search for phone picture, phone image. That's a PNG phone image, so that I can put on the thumbnail, because I'm talking about you creating a thumbnail on your phone. So it's only right to put a picture of a phone on the thumbnail. This is me searching for the picture. That's an image of a phone. Then I found one. I picked one. I think I just copied this because it's in PNG. I just copied the subject. You press down and there will be an option for you to copy the subject. Then you go back to your design on Instagram story and you paste, just like I did. Paste and find a good fit for it in the design. Then I download my thumbnail because it's ready. I go back to my camera roll to check what I just did, and here it is. Then, but because this is not the perfect size for for YouTube, I turn it, and I have thumbnail ready. Look at the thumbnail; it's easy to read and it's perfect.
There you have it, guys. Remember, the key to creating a great thumbnail is keeping it simple, eye-catching, and relevant to your video content. Really, guys, it's as simple as that. You shouldn't be afraid to experiment. Find your own style. And I can't wait to see all of your designs, your creations. You can use the hashtag 2024 Canva thumbnails when you share any of your thumbnail design, especially on Instagram, because I actually work full time on Instagram. Show me, you can use the hashtag so I can be able to search for it and see it. I'll be giving a shout out to some of my favorite designs on my Instagram page. Let's make this year one that is endless of creativity, growth together. Thanks for being there, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe for more tips, tricks, and inspiration, guys. Please, please just subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Until next time, guys, stay awesome. Bye.